Okay, good. This is the voice of Joshua. Stay and welcome to the second tutorial right here. Alright, so you're going to see this. You're going to see this after a successful registration, but you're not going to see this ending. Yeah, this place will be $0 for now since I have performed my task. That's why you're seeing this. Okay, and but you're going to see this $12 here. This is your cashback. Your cashback. So you're going to see it here. Alright, so this is the interface we're going to see. You're going to see all this interface. When you scroll down, you're going to see a referral link. Then you scroll, you're going to see everything. It's actually a social media platform. Okay, while down here, you're going to see the activities, your recent activities you've performed. Alright, so this was my first my cashback bonus here, and this is a live stream I did. So my transaction, and this is the second one, the video stream, and this is the third one. So this is the fourth one. Alright, so let's head um towards what we're gonna do after a successful registration for you to have those endings you've seen. Alright, so you have to click on these three dots here, these two lines, the main menu you're seeing here. So you tap on it again, and then you're going to see all this. You're going to see all this. So tap on this stream box what you are seeing here. Okay, when you tap on it, and you're going to see snap collab, audio collaboration, video collaboration, stream collaboration, file, um download collaboration, and royalties report. So you begin from any one of your choice. So you tap on this snap. All right, so I've already performed my task, so I'm not going to end again, but I'm going to show you. So you're going to pick any of these pictures here you like, or where the right end now. So you are going to tap on this end now here. So you tap on this end now. Okay, and then you scroll down. You say TikTok, end with Instagram, end to Telegram, share to end. So any of your choice, but once you just click on anyone, and then either you share to Instagram or share to Telegram or TikTok, you're going to end, and you're not going to do that twice. So I prefer to share it within the platform. So I'm going to share to all right. So you've already earned from this sharing today, but as even I haven't, so they'll credit me. So you can't do more than one task a day. So it's always once per day, and then you go back again to audio collab here, and then you are going to either search for your favorite artist or from any of these recommended or trending artists or tracks they've displayed there. You can pick anyone to play. So you can click on this and move it. You can click on this and move it. Why it's playing. If the track ends, then they are going to credit you here. So you go back again to your video collaboration here. So you click on it, and then you're going to say short video here. Most times they're up to 10 minutes, 9 minutes, or shorter than that. So you're going to watch any of these YouTube, any one of your choice. You're going to watch it, and then once you're done, they're going to credit you here, and then you go back to live stream. Live stream are always short this thing, live videos. So this is the one that's available for today. So you're gonna stream this, and at the end they're also gonna credit you here. Then you go to file, download collaboration. I think this feature they are still working on it because it's not showing now. So you click on this file. All right, it's not displaying. It's supposed to display. I think for now there are no available files to download. So you can select any of the content you want to download. Is it creation, is it study, is it comedy? If they've uploaded it, you see it below, and then you're going to download it. And after a successful download, you're going to see your reward there. Alright, so um, for stream partners, you're going to see your reward here. If you referred anybody, and then you click on the stream partners where I'm moving, you're going to see all the people you've added and your income log, that is your transaction, the TikTok creator network, the community of people okay, these for creators, there. You create content about this stream Africa, and then share it in TikTok, and then you're going to also and make money from that. So your withdrawal, if you want to withdraw, is the place you go to. And we also have other features here in this stream Africa. So we have the marketplace where you can market, where you can create your product, you manage your product, you can browse products for sales and to buy. And here we also have skill center. If you want to join a skill, if you want to manage a skill, and if you want to also sell out your knowledge. So here we have your setting. So if you want to make corrections about your profile, so you're going to click on this setting, and then edit anything you want to edit. So that it's as simple as this. It's as simple as this. All right. Thank you.